Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Fox Knives Vox Suru Frame Lock Flipper Knife. Say that 5 times fast. The overall length on this guy is 5.83 inches, blade length of 2.32 inches, and it is blade steel of N690. So this one you can open either with the thumb hole opener or the flipper. The frame lock does have a lockbar insert. It is a stainless steel lockbar insert, so that's a nice detail. And you've got this really cool milled out pattern, skeletonized handle, so it looks pretty attractive in my opinion. So the handles are aluminum and they are 3.5 inches in length, so it's not a very large knife. And you do have a wire pocket clip. Wow. Really struggling with my words today, guys, but there you have it. And that is for tip-up right-hand carry only. The overall weight on this guy is very light. It is 3 ounces. Maybe not very light, but it is pretty light for a knife of this size. Here's your tactical clothespin for size comparison. And this is the black version with the black coated blade. You can also get it in orange. And there is, whoa, snap. You can get it in orange, and there is one other color as well. Sorry, it's a little front heavy because of all the skeletonization. But guys, go ahead and check this knife out and buy it at bladehq.com. This is the Fox Knives Vox Suru.